By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn a bucket of green tomatoes into ripe, usable fruit, and which ones to stop wasting effort on. Most people treat all green tomatoes the same. That is the mistake. Some will ripen perfectly off the vine. Some never will, no matter what you do. Knowing the difference saves you time, space, and a lot of disappointment. We are going to sort them, set them up properly, and control the speed they ripen at. Before anything else, sort your tomatoes into 3 groups. The first group is almost ripe. These have a clear patch of red or orange already showing. They will ripen fast. The second group is mature green. These look pale green, not dark. Press them gently. There is a slight give. Inside, they have developed their seed chambers and built up enough sugar to ripen fully. These are your main candidates. The third group is stubborn green, dark color, rock solid, no give at all. These have not developed internally. They will not ripen, full stop. Do not waste a warm spot on them. 2 minutes of sorting now saves you 2 weeks of waiting on fruit that was never going to ripen. Ripening is driven by a gas called ethylene. As fruit ripens, it releases ethylene, which signals surrounding fruit to do the same. Bananas and apples produce it in much higher quantities. Put a banana in a confined space with your green tomatoes, and you flood that space with ethylene. They ripen faster. Warmth drives the whole process. Warmth. A warm cupboard works better than a windowsill. Take a shallow cardboard box. Line the bottom with newspaper. Place your sorted tomatoes in a single layer. They should not be touching each other. Place them calyx side up. That is the end where the stalk was attached. Add your banana. 1 ripe banana is enough for a standard box. Fold the flaps down to partially close the box. You are just slowing the ethylene from escaping, not sealing it in completely. Put the box somewhere warm and dark indoors. Too much heat causes shriveled skins, patchy color, and rot. A warm kitchen cupboard or a shelf above a radiator is better. Check the box every 2 days. Remove anything that has fully ripened. Remove anything that has started to rot before it spreads. At around 10 to 13 degrees Celsius, ripening almost stalls. Use this if you have a glut and want to spread the harvest over several weeks. At 15 degrees, expect ripe tomatoes in roughly 2 weeks. This gives you firm, high-quality fruit. At 25 degrees, most will ripen within a week. Use this if you need them quickly or if blight has hit and you have pulled everything at once. The dark, rock-hard ones will not ripen, but they are not wasted. Slice them into half-centimeter rounds and griddle them until charred. Do not compost the stubborn ones. Griddle them. Sort before you store. Mature greens will ripen. Stubborn greens will not. Use a banana in a partially closed box to concentrate ethylene and speed things up. Control your temperature to control your timing, and keep checking every couple of days. So, over to you. When you pulled your green tomatoes this season, did you find more stubborn ones than you expected? And if so, what did the plant look like when you harvested? Tell us in the comments. That is one more method you can actually use. Subscribe to Grow a Lot Studio, and I will keep showing you exactly how it is done.